In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover an invisible Facebook profile. So you just can't find your profile at all. So all you need to do is simply head to the link that I'll be providing to you in the description. So simply go ahead and paste this link on any browser that you prefer using. And as you can see, it says account recovery. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and select I was hacked up over here and then click on next. And once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page. Now you can simply go ahead and click on someone else got into my account and click on continue. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you for the associated email that was previously there. Simply go ahead and enter that. And once you've entered that, it will simply go ahead and look for your account and find it for you. It is as simple as that. And then you can simply go ahead and proceed with the recovery process, and Facebook will help you out. You might also need to confirm your identity, so you might need to provide a video proof. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.